This is a video on how to complete the MFA verification using the Microsoft Authenticator app. To get started, this video guide will go through 3 stages on how to complete the process for MFA. The first stage will cover how you will, on your smartphone, download the Microsoft Authenticator app. It will then follow on with how you then register your college account for MFA. And the third section will be focusing on how the Authenticator app is used day to day. To get started, we'll look at the download and install of the Microsoft Authenticator app. Registering your college account for MFA. You will all receive an email from which you can then click, which is https://aka.ms/MFA setup. You can either enter that into your browser or you can click the link in the email that has been sent to you on the steps to set up. Once you have clicked the link in the email, it will then open in a web page. From here, you can then sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll then see a prompt on the screen that asks for more information. Click Next. From this screen, you'll then be asked for additional security verification information. First, under the heading Step 1, how should we contact you? Make sure that you've clicked on the drop down where it says Authentication Phone and make sure it selects Mobile App. The next radio checkbox to select will be Receive Notifications for Verification. From here, now select the Setup button. Now from your smart device, open the Authenticator app that you've downloaded and follow the on-screen prompts. I agree. Scan QR code. Agree to any prompts on screen that your device may show. From here, scan the QR code that is on screen. Once registration of the app against your college account is complete, you'll see within the app your full college email address and the heading Hurst Pierpoint College. Once you see that on your phone, go back to the browser and click Next. From your phone, you'll then notice an approve or deny request. This is to verify the app against your handset. Click approve. For step 3, in case you lose access to your mobile app, select your country code. And enter a contact number of choice. I would recommend a mobile number. Click Finish. Select No. Once the page loads back to the additional security verification information, you have completed verification using the Microsoft Authenticator app against your handset. From here, you can then click on your full email address at the top right and click Sign Out. With MFA now enabled on your account, it adds an extra level of security on top of your password to allow secure access to your account. This means that no one can access your account unless they have your handset and click Approve to approve the login request. We're just going to show you how this works from the handset in terms of notification and how you would sign in. So if we start off with and sign into Hurst Online, enter your password and click Sign In. From here, you'll then have an approval sign-in request. You'll then receive a notification on your app. From the app, you'll have Approve or Deny. If you are trying to sign in, click Approve. If it's not you trying to sign in and your notification appears, click deny. For this example, we will click approve. From here, you're then able to fully sign in. One thing to mention is if you do receive login attempts and your app does appear and asks for approval and you haven't signed in, click deny and then contact the IT services team via the help desk so we can have a further look at your account and where these requests might be coming from. That concludes how to use MFA.